Yeah.
Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I improved my laptop gaming performance by just upgrading the RAM. In the first gameplay, you're going to see how bad the performance will be, like really bad. And in the second gameplay, I think I should just allow you to testify by yourself because it became really good. Yeah. You know, most times if you find out that your system is slow in executing some functions, or maybe your system isn't good in gaming, all you need could be just RAM upgrade, though not in all cases, but just take a look at this. And again, please, if this is your first time passing by on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started.
Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. I'm Peter Drury and this is Hugh Becklin. A delight to have him on board.
Thanks for that, Peter. Hey everyone, the excitement really picked up now and I'm eager for the action to start.
So off we go then. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, I'm going to go for the little wriggler, that is Raheem Sterling. His small frame and pace gives him a real advantage over bigger, slower defenders. And his turning sharpness is another very tricky part of his game, and he's a handful.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. It's Luis Suarez! What a wonderful goal!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Well, that defence
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Now it's Sterling. Good challenge, he just stood firm.
Now I want to install the new RAM I bought. I've already opened the nut that was there, so I'll just go ahead and pull it out. Remember, whenever you're dealing with your laptop internal parts, you have to be careful, very careful, because most things there are fragile. So this is the pre-installed RAM in my laptop. Altogether there are about 4 gig RAM there. That's 2. I'm going to show you if I bring it out. Just carefully and gently pull it out. Okay, these are the 2 RAMs I have in my laptop, but since they're not serving me well, I think I need to upgrade to a better one or to a higher storage so I can get a better experience. Okay, so this is the RAM I ordered from Singapore. I got this for $11, so you can just get one for yourself from anywhere. So I'm going to install this new RAM. There are 2 RAMs inside this, and that's 8 gig RAM, 4 gig RAM, about 2 of these. Okay, this is the 2 gig RAM I just brought out now. 2 gig RAM again, that's 4 gig RAM altogether that was in the laptop. But I'm just gonna keep it aside and install the new one. Okay, this is the new one I got. It should be 4 gig RAM. Okay, nothing is written on it, but it's 4 gig RAM. We'll check it out later. And this is the second one, 4 gig RAM also. Okay, 4 gig RAM. Okay, so altogether I'm upgrading my laptop from 4 gig RAM to 8 gig RAM. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna see the gameplay and all of that, the performance and the booting, all of that. Okay, just gently install everything and make sure it's well installed. Now just close it back and not it again. Okay, let's see how fast it is in on. Okay, it's booting now. Let's see how long it will take to boot. Wow, just so fast. It has already booted just now. Okay, so let's just try the game again. Notes: before you buy your RAM, before you buy any RAM for a laptop, ensure you've checked and be sure of the amount of RAM, the highest amount of RAM your laptop can run, because sometimes if you buy higher than it can run, it will not be able to carry it and it will just be a waste of your money and resource. Okay, this is 8 gig RAM. So let's try the game again.
The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
There's the whistle, and here we go. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
It's got to be the Spanish gem, David Silva, a gifted little playmaker who never sits still and who's capable of the most incisive of passes in the most congested of areas. For him, the tighter the better, and he'll find the gaps.
Yes, they'll certainly be leaning heavily on him. Rakitic passes it through. Messi with a beautifully timed run. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Yaya Toure. Just the goalkeeper to beat. He's away. And he's got the ball glued to his feet. That's a poor kick by the keeper, he's just given it straight back. Neymar can shoot here. Can he find a finish? Yes, he can! Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Out to the left it goes. Roberto gets it back. And it's Silva. Fernandinho with the ball through. Now it's Sané. There's no flag. Great leap! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
Barcelona didn't really deal with the wide play. It was a lovely dribble down the flank, but really they've got to double up to try and stop that, and I think with the attempted goal too, they were a little fortunate.
Thrust towards the front line. Neymar. Oh, good interception. And it's De Bruyne. Looks to slip it through. Sagna. De Bruyne. Rafinha knocks it towards the front. Neymar. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Tries a through ball. What a rocket! That is special! A finish of true class! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight! The purest possible contact, what a fabulous strike!
Oh, the contact was fantastic, right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.